it's Chloe. Welcome back. If you're new, I'm a character. Hey, we are on my desk. Because we're doing a review and I'm kind of excited, kind of not excited. I'm kind of scared. Okay, so I ordered from Goodfair, which I never heard of until one of the people I follow on YouTube did a review on them. Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop. Okay, so she did a review on Goodfair, and what happened is she went through everything and then she washed them and then she did a try on portion. And in that video, when she pulled stuff out of the box, she didn't like it as much. And then she washed everything and tried it on, and then she was actually really happy with her purchase. I'm kind of scared because I only watched her video. So I can't go to an actual thrift store to thrift, so I ordered off of Goodfair instead of ordering off of Poshmark, so I know what something is. Like, I just did a mystery box because I saw that video and I was like, a mystery box. I've always wanted to do them, so I might as well do it now. I'm gonna tell you what everything was price-wise. 2 for $25 small women's jackets. 2 for $20 pullover windbreaker light jacket. Men's denim jackets, 1 for $35. That was probably the most expensive one, so I hope it's good. The Greenheart Bundle has 1 denim jacket, 3 basic shirts, 3 graphic tees, 1 sweatshirt, 1 denim button down, and 2 flannels. That whole package for $80. I mean, I hope everything goes well, and I love everything. And me spending my money is okay. And then I got 3 tie-dye tees for $10 because I don't have any tie-dye and I kind of want to start wearing tie-dye, but then I also don't. So I figured, why not? Let's just try it. Got a discount, so it took off $51 out of the total, and then the total was $119. Good chunk of money. But I'm hoping that I'm going to like most of these pieces and it'll make up for it. It's also all in this really tiny box, but it is really heavy. Probably because I have 4 denim jackets in here. Surprised they could fit all of this in this box. I figured it would be like this big. I'm so scared. I haven't opened this yet. I just cut the... I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared. Oh, I definitely put a comment too. And I was like, oh, you have a preference. We'll try and like match them, okay? So I'm going to tell you that before I open this up, because if they matched my comments, like, they'll probably match yours too. You know what I'm saying? Well, I want a cat shirt. That was number 1. And I said I like name brand stuff, and in the name brands I put Adidas, Nike, Levi, and I put Harley Davidson, I think. And then I said I also like neutrals and pastels. So those were my comments. Let's see. I'm so scared, guys. Like, I'm so scared. I'm not even kidding. First is the Greenheart Bundle. Okay. Lucky Brand, California Fit. See, I like this because I wouldn't pick this out normally, but I definitely will wear this. It has workable pockets on both ends. A little wrinkly, but it is compacted in this small box. Okay, I see you. I like it. Next, I like this GH Bass Coat. I don't know what that is. This is thicker. It's this color. I feel like it's definitely, they cut all the like sizing off, which makes me feel like they definitely put like different sizes in it. But like, I don't care. Like, I was going to also put in the comments, like, I don't care if you put in some like mediums or larges. So like, it doesn't matter. But they do have all the sizing cut off. I don't know. I'll get probably the same amount of wear out of both of them. I like them. So far, so good. Okay. Okay. I like the yellow. Boozin' for Babies, Pub Crawl, Good Beer, Great Cause. 2016. Low-key, I think I would actually wear this. It's kind of fun. I think I'll definitely crop it, but I like the color. It's not normally something I'd pick out, but okay. Marshall Middle School Bulldogs. The city's mascot is a bulldog, so I feel like they were onto something. And if I like the Buckeyes, I'd like this shirt a lot more, but I don't think I'll wear that one. Low-key, it says Ripple Glass. I like this a lot. I'll just crop it. There's a tiny hole right there, and it definitely has been worn because it has like fraying, you know, when you wear something a lot. I think this has it a little bit, but it says Boulevard Brewing Company. I like this one. I like the wings. Now we have the 3 basic tees, which I have a gray tee from Fruit of Loom. I am definitely gonna wear these basics. I have gray from Fruit of Loom, and I have a blue one, which is also Fruit of Loom. I feel like these were all together, which is fine. Fine. I'm missing the sweatshirt option to this, which is this guy here, Sport Tech. It's gray. But here's the thing, NRA. Honestly, I might keep it. I mean, it's thrifted. You can't expect to like be given something that like means something to you. You know what I'm saying? The color's a little weird too because it's like a brown. I'm not mad about anything yet. Dockers. This is so wrinkly. Okay, I do like this. Okay, I really like the buttons. This is a plus. I'm excited for that. Okay. Ready? This comes with one denim jacket, and we're at the denim jacket. So this is the denim jacket they picked out. It fits super like tight, and I didn't think I'd like it, but I put it on and I don't mind it at all. I would definitely wear this. I would just never button it up, because if I were to button it up, super tight. It's tight now, but not unbearably tight to where I'd have to get rid of it. Moss issue. It could be a little bit bigger, but like, I got a small, okay? Now the windbreakers. Okay. I am excited for these. I don't have any like pullover windbreakers, right? DHT, Cedar Fair Entertainment Company VIP. It says VIP on it. Oh, Cedar Fair Entertainment Company. Like Cedar Point. I like that, and it's black, it's not. Ooh, Nike Golf. It has zippers. There's not really like anything wrong with it other than it's wash. I am so happy with this. I'm happy with both of those pullover windbreakers. I love this, and it has a Nike swoosh on the sleeve. Okay, tie-dye shirts. I don't like this one just because it's really bright. I like the sleeves. Okay, I don't like that one as much. However, this one I do like. Oh, I love this one. Beach Retreat and Get Real is on the back. I like this one. I'm cropping this one. I love this one. Literally, like, everything's lighter, so that's fun. No way. This is the Ron John Surf Shop. And the back has it too. I really like this one. Both of those shirts made it worth it. First one, not so much. Didn't like that one. It was too bright. The pastel one, 10 out of 10. Love that. Ron John Surf Shop, I'd say 9 out of 10. I wish it was more pastel. That's just me. But I've been to Ron John Surf Shops down in Florida, and now the denim jackets. It says Clo Chard, Paris, Hollywood. I love this. This is so nice. I love the collar, and I also love how the pockets are a little bit different. They're like, you go down, there's a little bit of a wear right here. I really like this. It's kind of Western. And actually, I think I'm gonna thrift flip this and do something with the back. I'm so excited. I've been looking for a jean jacket that had paneling kind of like this, and I think this will work. Okay. If it didn't have all of the gems missing, like piece by piece, I'd probably like it a little bit more. The brand's like a little girl's brand. You could probably guess with the sparkles, but I'm not going to name it in this video because I actually kind of like this. I don't have a white jean jacket. It's thin enough that I could wear it right now and be happy outside. So I'm just going to say, yes, I do like this. It looks good on me. And we're gonna move on. You guys can guess the brand down in the comment section. And if you're right, well, then I'll tell you you're right. And whenever I wear this, I can be embarrassed. Oh, it says it on the back. Okay, it's female. So The first jean jacket was definitely the male's. I do like it. I like the wash. I like the fit, kinda. The sleeves, like, that's it. Okay, they used to be longer. Someone stitched this to make it fit them more, which now it fits me less. Is this fine, or should it not be like this? It's been altered. It looks altered. There's stitching on both of the cuffs. I cannot believe they fit all of that in there. That's all I got. I wasn't mad about anything I got, because if you think about it, in retrospect to all the stuff that I just got, retail value, that's a lot of money, and I spent only a chunk of it. And I really like the Nike, both of the windbreakers. Are tie-dye shirts I actually really liked. I was kind of scared, but I figured 10 bucks and might as well try it. I really like the jean jackets, especially the men's jean jacket. The flannels, like I liked almost everything in this. I was so scared to open this box, but I'll definitely like wear all of this stuff. I might get rid of a few pieces here and there, you know, like someone else can have that one. But we're gonna rate everything. This, 5 out of 10. This guy needs some work. Once I fix it, 7 out of 10. This guy, 10 out of 10. These shirts, I'm gonna rate all of them together. 6 out of 10. Windbreakers, 10 out of 10. The Save the Earth bundle. Why don't I rate everything individually by category in the Good to Earth bundle, which included this jean jacket, 8. This button down, 5 out of 10. This sweatshirt, 6 out of 10. These 3 shirts, I wish one of these were white, 8 out of 10. 3 graphic tees. I didn't like the red graphic tee, but I still might keep it, and I definitely will wear the other graphic tees, so like, I'd say 8 out of 10. And these guys, 7 out of 10. I'm not mad at anything. Some of them need some help, some of them I want to make better, some of them I want to crop, but like, that's gonna be for another video. So thank you for watching, subscribe if you haven't, and maybe we'll do another one of these. I mean, we're stuck in quarantine, right? If you want to see it, like this video, subscribe. This is for thumbnails.